To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Political storm is brewing in Chhattisgarh. Chaitanya Baghel, the son of former Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, has been arrested by the ED and will remain in ED's custody in the state's liquor scam case. Meanwhile, ED officials also conducted a raid at the Baghel family's residence in Bhilai. According to sources, the raids were part of an alleged liquor scam that was linked to a money laundering investigation against the former Chief Minister's son Chaitanya Baghel. Reacting sharply, Bhupesh Baghel called the arrest shameful and politically motivated, accusing the centre of using investigative agencies to target opposition voices ahead of elections. Let's go across to Times Network's Bhavtosh Singh for more details.
One of the biggest development as far as Chhattisgarh liquor scam is concerned. This case is based on the FIRs that were filed by the Chhattisgarh ACB. This case, in fact, is very controversial because this case time and again had gone to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, in fact, pulled up the Enforcement Directorate, and they had, in fact, said that this case is not fit of probe under money laundering, but ED was continuously probing this case. As far as today's development is concerned, at around 7 a.m. in the morning, ED team reached the residence of Bhupesh Baghel. Bhupesh Baghel, in fact, tweeted and said that ED team have reached his residence, and then a very quick development happened, and Bhupesh Baghel has been arrested. He will be produced before the court. Briefly, this case revolves around the scam or the alleged scam that took place when Congress was in power. What ED has said is that a fixed commission was being taken by the distillers, and this was not, in fact, this was being done so that cartelization actually happens in Chhattisgarh. The other aspect of this scam is the kacha sharab or country-made liquor, of which none of the revenue that was being generated went to the Chhattisgarh Marketing Corporation, which is the body that used to, in fact, distribute liquor in the state of Chhattisgarh, and the entire proceeds or entire revenue was going to the cartels member like Debar and Tuteja. These are broadly some aspects of the money laundering. ED has said that they have been probing this case for past 2 or 3 years, and the other important development that has taken place in this case is the arrest of former excise minister in Chhattisgarh, Lakma, who was in fact arrested by the ED. ED has also attached the office of Congress in Sukma. Congress obviously has said that this is political vendetta. One has to wait and see what ED would be stating when they will issue an official statement. But very big development because Bhupesh Baghel, one of the strongest leaders of Chhattisgarh, his son has been officially arrested by the Enforcement Directorate.
दबाव पूरे सरकार में है, प्रशासनिक तंत्र में है और विपक्ष को दबाने के लिए ये रणनीति अपनाई गई है, जिसके कारण से आज नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने विधानसभा में ये घोषणा की कि हम इस कार्रवाई के विरोध में दिन भर के सदन की कार्रवाई बहिष्कार कर रहे हैं। प्रवासी लखमा भी टारगेट किया, देवेंद्र यादव को टारगेट किया, अभी मेरे बेटे को टारगेट कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ये है दबाने की कोशिश।
छत्तीसगढ़ में 5 साल में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने मिलजुल कर छत्तीसगढ़ को लूटने का काम किया। जिस प्रकार से योजनाबद्ध तरीके से छत्तीसगढ़ की जनता की काड़ी कमाई को लूटने का काम किया, जिस प्रकार से अवैध धंधे जिस प्रकार से प्रदेश के अंदर उनके कार्यकाल में चले, ये सब कहीं न कहीं सरकार की एजेंसियों के पास कोई तथ्य होंगे, तथ्य के आधार पर ही किसी की गिरफ्तारी होगी।